Okay, in a turn of events, this is our last morning in Hue. We're about to get on some motorcycles and we're gonna do a little 4-day tour of central Vietnam. And it will end in Da Nang. So hopefully I get some good footage over the next 4 days. We're gonna be going to different towns, different areas around. And the most exciting, I think, for me is either Khe Sanh or the DMZ, where we're gonna go get to look at some tunnels. Okay, since yesterday, we did the abandoned water park and we did the Citadel. We don't have to do that on the motorcycle tour this morning. They were gonna take us around all those places, but now we don't. So the first stop is gonna be the Tin Mu, I think it's called Tin Mu Pagoda, which looks really nice. And then I think we're gonna see a tomb for the next stop. And then we're gonna head out of Hue and we're gonna continue on. I think we're going north after Hue. What's Warrior? Oh, yes. Oh, he's got a sword. He's got a real beard. Look at that. I'm not gonna go in. Well, we have to take our shoes off to go in there, and I just don't feel like taking my shoes off. Hopefully you got a good view of it in there. I mean, I could see it from outside. Hopefully the camera picked it up also. But yes, I will say it is a scorcher again today. And we got another old school car. Is that a, it's called Austin. Or, yeah, Austin, like the city Austin. Huh. It says, in this car, the most venerable Ting Quang Duc went from An Quang Pagoda to the intersection of whatever street in 63 in Saigon. As soon as he got out of the car, the most venerable sat down in the lotus position and burnt himself to death to protest against the No Den Diem regime's policies of discriminating against Buddhists and violating religious freedom. Okay, so this is the guy. This is there's a famous picture about this. Yeah.
There. Wow.
There's the picture in the back. So this was his car. This was Watch the Wasp. So this was that guy's car.
Amazing. This is freaking amazing.
All right, so now I think the next stop is going to be a tomb. The King's Tomb, I think, is what he said. So we're gonna go look at the King's Tomb.
They stay out the road. They making for keep the memory about still long time ago for the village of the people. They making that.
All right, so we're stopping here to see if we can get some incense for the King's Tomb. So this is how you make incense.
Yeah. And this is the cinnamon. They making the cinnamon from cinnamon.
Smells good.
Oh wow, that's really nice.
That's from incense.
I like the cinnamon one.
Because in the Europe or some countries still a little bit cold. When the winter season coming, the people they want to get some cinnamon to put in the house to get good smell.
That's amazing.
That's really yummy.
Okay, so she's putting this powder.
Yeah, powder.
On here. She's rolling this stuff onto the stick, and then that onto the powder, and that's how you make incense.
Yeah.
In water. By together.
Yeah, and water.
Mixed
Water.
together with this makes that.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay.
Now
Wow.
now the first
And
day
that
we see
makes-
about the people how they make in dark,
That's-
but in the third day of
Oh,
the tour,
lemongrass.
we can see
Smells
about
good.
The,
All right. So you just. Oh, you're gonna hold my hand? Up and down, and up and down, up and down, up and down. And then cut.
Rolly.
Roll it.
Rolly. Rolly. Finish.
Finished?
Oh.
Squeeze it out there. Okay.
Yeah, I like mine more than more than your one.
All right, we have arrived at the King's Tomb. So we're gonna go check this out. We're gonna leave some incense for him. Which king is this?
Từ Đức.
What year was he king?
1827.
1827. 1827. So that's the Nguyen dynasty?
Yeah, yeah.
No photos, but maybe video. It says no flash. Again, no videos, no photos in there. We did leave the king some incense, some lemongrass incense. Smells good. Smells really good. Now I think what we're gonna do now is get back on the motorcycle, and we are gonna be heading north to, I think they said the first night is the DMZ, so we're gonna get to go look at some tunnels from the war. Yeah, I think we're gonna head up north to the DMZ, check some tunnels out, and I think we're gonna stay there. And the place we're staying, he said, was right on the beach, right? Yeah. So the place we're staying is right on the beach. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get up there, maybe a couple hours, I'm not entirely sure. All right, I don't know exactly what this is. He told us, oh, look at that. Wedding photos. Wedding photos, and they got some EDM blasting. I guess to get them in the mood for photos. Hello. Something about the Ho Chi Minh Trail or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out shortly. Oh, these are bunkers. Who built these?
Sorry?
Who made the bunker?
American.
Oh, the Americans.
Yeah, American Army.
So they built. So what's I wonder what hill number this is.
The Vong Cận Hill. Vong Cận Hill.
Vong Cunt Hill.
Yeah.
Huh. I'm gonna have to look that up. Vong Cunt Hill.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Oh, and it's right next to the river. Look at that view. Don't you fall, don't you do it.
Yes, stand here together. Nikki.
Yeah, sure.
And that's a beautiful view and American bunkers. I wonder when they were built. Obviously during the Vietnam War, but I wonder what year they were built. The motorcycles that we're on today, these two guys have a mini bar for us. So we got water and beer in there.
Mini bar.
Yeah, mini bar. We got the ice.
Yeah.
Got our packs on the back of the bike right here. Oh, and he's got some water back there for me. Awesome. So I can just reach back and grab that water. After I finish my water. Now this motorcycle tour is $85 per person per day, but that includes the transportation, the hotels, the food, everything. The whole tour, $85 a day, and that's with the hotels. So it's a pretty good deal. This is one of our drivers. This is Hi.
Hello.
He's the guy that sold us the tour. And what was his name? Lau? Lau. This is our other driver, Lau. Say hello to the camera. Yeah, they're doing good so far. They're hooking us up. And the next 4 days should be exciting. Go on the bridge, get a photo. Oh wow, it's a little shaky. Little shaky. Little bamboo wood bridge. Look at this little hut. I wonder if... Oh, it looks like people do live here. Looks like people stay here. Yeah. Nice little hut. I gotta change my battery. I'm not sure what this place is, but it's definitely off the beaten path. I don't think I would have ever found it, but these guys giving us the tour. They're stopping along the way. Oh, there's crab holes here.
Yeah, I think this is where they do a lot of fishing.
But it's just a little walk path, a little walkway right here, and there's nothing but water and trees around it.
There's some fishing over there.
Oh, and we got a guy fishing here. A little bit of that.
This must get quite flooded during winter.
Oh yeah. I bet this gets pretty bad. It's a little duck farm. Oh, look at the little chickies. Pew pew pew, chicky chicky chicky. Quack quack. Quack quack. Look at all the little chickies in there. They're chilling.
They're having a blast.
Oh, here comes another one. They all want some action. Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
All right, we have made another stop for lunch.
Good to me.
I'm not sure exactly where we are in the Nam, but it's in the countryside somewhere. And this food looks good from here.
Barbecue meat. The pork. Maybe the fish.
I want to do pork.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do pork as well.
Okay, so we're stopping here for lunch. Third time I said that. Then we're gonna jump back on the bike and keep going. You said today is gonna be the beach. You said?
Yeah.
Yeah, the beach and the tunnels.
Tunnel tomorrow morning.
Tunnels tomorrow. Okay, so we're going to the DMZ and we're gonna go through some tunnels tomorrow morning, and tonight is gonna be the beach. Looks good. Thank you. Nice. Thank you. So we got pork and pork. All right, so lunch is finished and we are getting back on the road. There's Vicky and Hi. We are getting back on the road, and I don't know where we're going, but we're going. We're going.
We go on the road?
We go on the road. We go on the road. All right. We stopped here to rest our bums, is what he said. making a quick stop here. Time for a beer or water, whichever you prefer. We got beers. And another cemetery. So I guess these things, this is for the family. So a family is buried in each one of these. So instead of getting individual gravestones, the family gets one big one. Alright, so we stopped here for a few minutes to look at the river on the bridge. And he said the next stop is going to be at the beach. Now, so that means we must be getting close to our destination for the first night that we're going to stay. Alright, so we're here at the beach. It's not a bad beach, it's pretty nice. You gotta pee? I don't know where the toilets are. But we're gonna come sit in here and I'm gonna have a couple beers, see where we're at, maybe check some Facebook. I don't know. You know Zuckerberg. He reeled us in with that Facebook thing. He got us good. We stopped here for the local market. I think these guys, they want to find some food. So when we go on the beach tonight, they're gonna barbecue, or they're gonna grill us some food for dinner. So here's a little taste of the local market here. Hello. Fish. Look at that little guy. They're moving. Yeah. Pig. Who wants some pig? More pig. Hello. Nice pig. Yeah, chicken. Oh, look at that. Alright, so this. Oh, look at all the boats out here. I don't know if you caught this. All the boats. And you got some veggies. Veggies everywhere. Alright, so that's the local market here. I don't know where we are, exactly what town. Let me look real quick. We are in Anhoa. Anhoa. A-N-H-O-A. That's where we're at. Everything. We made it. Congratulations, you made it. Here comes the second bike. He was not lying. The beach is right in front of the place we're staying at. Nice. Here's the outside. I think this is just somebody's house. All right, this is our room. So we come in to the house, and this is our room. And there's our window. It's not so bad. Not so bad. So we got that squid. Looks like we got some prawns underneath. And then we got some more stuff there. Salt. Yes. All right. Took a while to pull it off. As you can see, that is all gone. We got a little bit more over there, but it's pretty good. It's pretty delicious. How good is it, Lau?
Really, really good.
Is it good?
Yeah, wonderful.
Of course it is. How good is it, Vicky?
Very good.
It's very good.
Tastes like the ocean and some chili. I love this sauce so much.
It tastes like the ocean and chili.
That shit is good.
What is that? Chinsu. Now we're eating fish. Fish is pretty good. It's like they cut it, they flatten it out, and they dry it.
It's on the body inside.
Yeah.
The bone.
And then you just eat everything.
Now you can enjoy.
It's like beef jerky.
Yeah, it's bokums. It's fish that's dry.
All right, we're back from the beach. Do this. We're back from the beach. Actually, we're gonna do this so I can see. We're back from the beach, and now we're gonna get ready to eat some dinner.
Yes.
We'll meet them,
We meet them.
and then we'll tell them that they can go have some barbecue on the beach.
No.
No,
You must say them. Don't believe me. I'm crazy a lot.
I'll tell them that. And then this is our new friend from Australia, and we already saw him before.
My hair smells like fish now.
You meet on the bed?
We didn't meet on any train. We just met him here tonight.
You got on top of
Don't worry, I don't have that many subscribers.
Hey, you are the same train on way from the north. No, that train crashed.
Our train crashed.
Oh, fucking train crash.
Our train crashed. I think I already
What, the
updated
train?
everybody on YouTube about the train crashing. We already told them about the derailing.
Now
Anyway.
we are near the beach.
Now, yeah, well, yeah, I think you can hear it on here. That's the beach. And if you see those little dots out there, those are boats fishing.
You know, on the beach, near the beach, they never have a monkey. But here they have a one famous
Well, they
monkey.
had 4 monkeys there tonight.
No, one. Only one, no more. Not 4. One.
One
just
lazy
one.
one.
No, one monkey only.
One monkey only.
Yes.
You.
Only you.
How you know?
I don't know. I don't know. I said there was 4 of us. All right. We have,
Pizza Vietnam.
yes, we have eggs,
Eggs.
What? Pizza for?
fish,
Pizza.
veggies, morning glory, more eggs, rice,
Morning glory holes.
empty bowls, morning glory holes,
Yeah.
and we got some Huda. Yes. Awesome.
Okay, yo. Yo, fucking awesome.
Yeah, awesome. Yo. Hi, yo.
What? What? I forget it every fucking time.
Bye, hi, yo.
Mo, hi.
Mo, hi. Bye, yo.
Yo.
Yes, I love it. I love it.